students, how are you all? We will continue with explanation of chapter number 5, Coal and Petroleum, session 6. In last sessions, children, we have learned about natural resources. In that, we have discussed about inexhaustible and exhaustible resources, right? We have learned about coal, we have learned about petroleum, right? Now we are going to learn about natural gases. Now children, when we were discussing about petroleum, in that diagram we have discussed about petroleum also, and we have seen the layer of gas on top of the petroleum, right? So that is the natural gas, right? So these gases are also utilized by human activities, right? Natural gas is found from fossil fuel. Now what is fossil fuel? When the dead vegetations or dead forests which are buried before millions of years, right? And on the top they are buried into the layer of soil, right? In seas and ocean, dead plants and animals are buried into the layer of clay and sand, and after millions of years we are getting fossil fuel, right? So these are obtained, natural gases are obtained from fossil fuel. Now easy to transport through pipes. These natural gases can be transported to the different places with the help of pipe. ये जो नेचुरल गैस हमें मिलता है, राइट? तो नेचुरल गैस को हम एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे भेजने के लिए पाइप से इजीली सेंड कर सकते हैं, राइट? नेचुरल गैसेस आर स्टोर्ड अंडर हाई प्रेशर एज कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस. हम इसे कैसे स्टोर कर सकते हैं? नाउ यू नो दैट गैस इज वेरी लाइटर. ओके, गैस इज लाइटर, so it always goes to the height, right? So children, how we can save gas? We can compress it, यानी उसके ऊपर हम प्रेशर डाल के उसे हम सेव कर सकते हैं, right? And it is called as compressed natural gas, that is CNG. Nowadays people, we are using CNG in our houses also and in vehicles also in place of petrol, right? It is used for power generation. It is used for generating electricity also, right? It is cleaner fuel, means it can clean the fuel also, like petrol, diesel, means petroleum, which we are bifurcating it into separate constituent, means to separate their constituents, right? Used directly for burning in homes. In the houses we are having pipelines, so that gases CNG gases. Nowadays people, the trend of gas bottles is reducing and we are getting gas line in our house directly, right? Factories, they are used in factories also, because some factories are having plants which requires gas. Plants means the machinery of manufacturing something. That is called as factory plant. Okay, in that gas is also used. Okay, so where it can be supplied through pipes, so that gases also can be supplied through pipes. Now we are going to learn about some natural resources are limited. Now see children, the natural resources are exhaustible and some are inexhaustible. Okay, so we are going to learn about exhaustible natural resources, how they are limited, so how we should take care and how we should use them. Okay, coal and petroleum are fossil fuel. Okay, now these petroleum and coal are fossil fuel, means they are buried into the layer of the earth, and this process is requiring million of years, means million of years it is taking to convert it into fossil fuel, right? It requires the dead organisms. Now for this we require dead organisms. Now day by day, because of human activities, wildlife is decreasing, right? Deforestation is also increasing. people are cutting trees, right? So because of that wildlife is decreasing and this is affecting the million of wildlife, right? And it is taking million of years to get buried into the different layer of the earth, to get converted into fossil. Means it takes these many years to convert into fuels, and for using fuel it just takes some minutes and hours. जैसे कि हम कोयला जलाते हैं, राइट? तो उसको जलने के लिए आधा घंटा काफी है, लेकिन उसे बनने के लिए मिलियन ऑफ इयर्स, सालों लग जाते हैं. So children, we should think twice before wasting it. Burning of this fuel causes air pollution. यानी हम जब ये फ्यूल बर्न करते हैं, कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम, तो उससे क्या होता है? एयर पोल्यूशन, which is damaging our environment, right? Then their use also linked to global warming. If we are increasing the use, air pollution is increasing, and due to increase of air pollution, children, there is global warming. Now what is global warming, children? Global warming is the point, right, because of pollution where the snow is getting melted and that is increasing the water level. So in future sometime it can happen that whole earth can be sink into water. The level of water will increase and it can destroy the life on the earth, right? One example is of tsunami, right? We have seen tsunami, how many people died in that, right? There were unlimited people who give their life into that tsunami. So like that type of natural calamities can occur due to global warming. Need to use this resource judiciously. Now why we should use judiciously? Because this resources are exhaustible resource. If we will not use it as judiciously, children, in future generation they will not be able to use this type of resources, or they will not be able to see this resources also. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, that is PCRA, advise people how to save petrol, diesel while driving. Now see children, we can reduce the use. Okay, we can हम लोग उसका यूज कम कर सकते हैं, बंद नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो यूज कम करने के लिए पेट्रोलियम कंजर्वेशन रिसर्च एसोसिएशन ने बहुत सारे रूल्स फॉलो करने के लिए कहा था. तो हम वो देखेंगे और उसकी टिप्स क्या है, क्योंकि हम जब ड्राइविंग करते हैं, क्योंकि ये पेट्रोल और डीजल है ज्यादातर व्हीकल्स में ही यूज किए जाते हैं. सो हाउ वी कैन सेव व्हाइल ड्राइविंग, इट इज अप टू अस. वो हमारे हाथ में है कि हम उसे कैसे यूज करते हैं और उसे हम कैसे बचा सकते हैं, राइट? वी विल सेव नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, साइड बाय साइड चिल्ड्रन वी विल सेव अवर मनी ऑल्सो. नाउ टिप्स: ड्राइव एट अ कांस्टेंट मॉडरेट स्पीड एज फार एज पॉसिबल. यानी जब आप ड्राइविंग कर रहे हो, राइट, सो यू शुड ड्राइव ऑन अ कांस्टेंट स्पीड. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू आर ड्राइविंग योर कार एट द स्पीड ऑफ 50 kbpm, राइट, यानी 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो ये जो 50 की एवरेज पे आप चलाते हो, तो उससे क्या होता है, कांस्टेंट वही स्पीड पे आप चलाओगे एंड इट शुड बी नॉट मॉडरेट, इट शुड नॉट बी वेरी हाई. हाई स्पीड पे भी आपको 120 की स्पीड पे भी नहीं चलाना है, राइट? सो चिल्ड्रन, it should be around 50 to 70, between 50, 70 and 80, not more than that. So this you can tell to your father also or mother also when she or he is driving, right? So if you are driving your car on constant and moderate speed, this will help you to reduce the use of petrol, burning of petrol. जितनी हाई स्पीड होगी उतना पेट्रोल ज्यादा लगेगा और ज्यादा फटाफट वो इंजन से यूज हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, स्विच ऑफ द इंजन एट ट्रैफिक लाइट. जब हम ट्रैफिक लाइट पे सिग्नल पे खड़े होते हैं, तब हमें हमारी कार या व्हीकल ऑन नहीं रखने हैं. That time you can switch it off because it takes 1 or 2 minutes to finish the signal. Or at place where you have to wait. हमें कुछ जगह पे खड़े रहना है, तो फिर हमें वो ऑन करके नहीं रुकना है, हमें उसे बंद कर देना है ताकि उतना पेट्रोल हम बचा सकें. Ensure correct type of pressure and ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. हमें जो प्रेशर होता है टायर का वो भी चेक करते रहना चाहिए और हमारी कार या व्हीकल्स जो भी है उसे टाइम टू टाइम हमें मेंटेन करना चाहिए। इससे क्या होगा कि हम फ्यूल तो बचा ही सकते हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी एक्सीडेंट से भी हम बच सकते हैं, राइट चिल्ड्रन? एंड ऑल्सो वी आर सेविंग आवर टाइम एंड मनी। सो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज तो वी आर सेविंग, but this other things also we are saving, that is our life and money, right children? So this was about natural gas and some important points to see about how we can save the natural resources and we should use it in limit, right? So children, with this we complete our chapter. In next session we will continue with solution of chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. Thank you.